Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush forest, there lived a curious little squirrel named Sammy. Sammy was known throughout the forest for his boundless energy and insatiable curiosity. One sunny morning, while scampering through the trees, Sammy stumbled upon a mysterious object lying on the forest floor. It was a shiny golden key with intricate engravings. Intrigued, Sammy decided to embark on an adventure to discover what the key unlocked. With the key safely tucked in his tiny paw, he set off through the forest, hopping from branch to branch with excitement. After a long journey filled with obstacles and challenges, Sammy finally arrived at a hidden door nestled between the roots of an ancient tree. With a trembling hand, he inserted the key into the lock and turned it. To his amazement, the door swung open to reveal a magical world filled with sparkling treasures and colorful creatures. Sammy couldn't believe his eyes. He had unlocked the entrance to the enchanted realm hidden within the forest. From that day on, Sammy became the guardian of the magical door, welcoming all who dared to explore the wonders that lay beyond. And as he watched the sun set over the treetops, Sammy knew that every adventure was just the beginning of another magical journey.